Stellar has become more bullish over the past week, gaining 17.21, or so they thought. They also thought that XLM's intraday volume mostly stays at 63,435,186, which goes against what most people think. Stellar is worth 11 cents at the end of the day's trading. July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Stellar cost exam for now or for a week from now, and every attempt to answer these questions has always made some things clearer. What is usually a short-term price prediction for Stellar is XLM and good speculation. Stellar's support and resistance levels are usually very high, which is very important. However, before we get too deep into the XLM technical analysis, let's talk about the market over the last 24 hours. 617,921,172. What kind is very important. The most intense trading traffic stays at 2,477,659,794 most of the time. Truly goes against what most people think. Bitcoin is responsible for 49.56 market, while Ethereum in particular has a spread of 16.33, which means that over the last 24 hours, the market as a whole has fallen by 1.84. Bringing the total cryptographic currency market to $1.195 trillion, $607 billion, $17921, $172. After a drop of 0.19, Bitcoin's price fell to $30,513.42. This shows how the value of other digital currencies like Ethereum has dropped by 0.51 to reach $1,915.50 in the past 24 hours. Sharing this blog, BNB traded at 244.84 pennies after a price change of 0.97 in the same amount of time, or so they thought from a real point of view. XRP, a very close coin, is up 1.54 and trading at 48 cents right now. Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents after losing 0.77 cents. These events show that the market is going down at the moment, which shows that Bitcoin has 49.56% of the market. Even though Ethereum has a strength of 16.33, the market as a whole lost 1.84 points in the last 24 hours. Taking the total value of all digital currencies to $1.195 trillion. As of right now, a general very bad drop can be seen across the crypto market, showing that XLM's midday volume is still at 63435,186, or so they thought. Stellar support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to find key price levels where the trend can change in a significant way. Support is a level where buyers become more in every way. Resistance is a level where buyers become less dynamic. And especially make sure that the price of the coin S doesn't go down anymore, most certainly how XLM/USD pair is trading below EMA 20, and resistance is a level where sellers get active and keep the price from going much higher. Here are the support and resistance levels for Stellar XLM. Based on the value analysis, the work was excellent. Market record, Stellar XLM is currently trading at 11.11 cents, with a trading volume of 634,35186. This shows that the XLM/USD pair is trading below EMA 20 in a very big way. But XLM has lost 1.83% of its value in the last 24 hours over the course of a week. The price of XLM moves by 17.21, giving it a market capitalization of about $2,886,924,425 US dollars. Stellar Value Analysis XLM Price Analysis for July 2023 in a day-to-day time span sort of made sense below showing that, but before getting too deep into the XLM technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy, which is a big deal. We'll use relative strength to do this. India XE moving, especially normal mixing and being different. MACD support levels, resistance levels, different time span moving midpoints, such as really easy moving really normal small and outstanding moving really normal EMA, are used to predict how Stellar will change in the future. This shows that resistance is a level at which merchants usually start to move dynamic and definitely stop the coin's price from going up, which is usually very simple. From a real-world point of view, the MACD line is staying below the signal line after a mix, which shows how far away it is. Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents after he saw a ROT of 0.77 in a steam. Incredibly stellar monetary buyers need to keep things under control if there is a change in direction from the usual pattern. This is because support is a level at which buyers usually become more unique and keep the coin's price from falling any further. How the XLM/USD pair is trading below EMA 20, which is a very basic indicator. Stellar is moving in a downward direction as bears successfully take the coin under the fast support level of 11 pennies. This is a good sign. How the nearby XRP coin is up by 1.54 and is currently trading at 48 pennies in a huge way. RSI shows that the XLM coin is oversold. Is in the union zone, as our SI is at 42. This means that XLM should find support at 10 cents, or traders could focus on the important support level set at 13 cents. Bitcoin price prediction: BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday. As the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released, the cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the market price could go up in the fourth quarter, but a full-fledged bull market might not happen until 2024. For this to happen, rate hikes would have to stop. BTC would have to drop a lot, and leak